VW 2.0 TDI Volkswagen diesel engine. 4 injectors. The last one is stuck. This one's loose and rises up. It will do. This one, it'll turn if I put a socket on the end and about ½ meter long bar. It'll twist side to side by the amount you've got there. So it's not stuck, but it won't come up. So I've got to try and get a slide hammer onto it. I've got limited space here. As you can see, I've got a slide hammer here. So I'm going to try and get it on, but I don't really think there's much of a place to get a grip on the thing at all. I'm not really sure how you're meant to do it, but I've got to do something, because this has got to come out. I think you've got to try and hook it on. I've seen one guy using a bit of wire, which actually is not the worst idea. A bit of wire and then a bit of a pull. So I'll try getting the slide hammer onto it somehow, and we'll go from there. It's actually getting closer to a 1 meter bar, I'd say, but that'll do it. So it's not stuck, but it's not coming upwards, which is the issue. And I've done that back and forth 50 times, which can't be good for it either. So I think the guy using wire was probably the best one. My slide hammer is in fact a bit long, but I might get a bit of wire under the back of it. I'll show you what we're dealing with. So that's what you're dealing with. If you get a bit of wire under here and twist it and make it like a double cradle or something. I don't really know how these things go together, but I don't really want to find out. I don't want them coming apart. So I've got a wire looped around the back and under, and then twisted up at the front, and then I've got one from the front going around the back, twisted up, and then they're both twisted together into a loop, and I'll put the hammer through there. The rain's really coming on now. I can hold that like that. We'll see if that does it. Looking a better end hook. Right, and there. Oh, something's twisted there. I don't like that. I don't want it pulling on the plastic, so I think I need to bashing the don't like that. So I've modified my strategy because the first wire broke. So I've put a doubled up length of wire around one side only. I don't really like it going around the back. I think it's going to damage the plastic on that head there. I don't know how much damage that can take. So I've got a hook ready for it here. And I can try it again with a different tool. Slide hammer hook. I'm trying to do it straight up. I'm not seeing any movement in this, but I am seeing this fellow getting caught. Try that. No, it's just ripping out the wire. Even a better. Just ripped through the wire there, that did. You can't get that bracket off. You got to do them in pairs as well. You see this one? That one's loose. It's just loose, but this one doesn't want to budge. Try putting the socket on it again. I don't like doing that, actually. It does move, but it's not right. Doesn't sound healthy. So I'm going to try turning the engine over because I'm kind of out of ideas without paying for a slide hammer, and even at that, we'll give it a go. We're watching over there. Let's see. Don't know. Did anything move? That one's pulled up, but the other one hasn't. I'm good. Really don't want to have to pay for injectors because they're dear. Not getting anywhere with this, are we? I'll try putting the bar back on it because I'm out of ideas otherwise. I'm going to do damage now, I think. This is just quick for the day. It's in tight. So when I was at before, put the socket on, rock it back, it does move. It's not going anywhere. It's not going up. That's my problem. I'm pretty sure I've broken the plastic case there or something else. I hope it's not the rail. I can't see that I broke the rail really. Broken that plastic underneath it, but that's not a big deal if it comes out. It's not budging. It's just not budging. So I'm not entirely sure how. Well, I am because I've just done it, but I've broken the back lug off this little fella here. If I could get it out. So I've managed to break the back lug off this little fella here. If I could get it out now. No, of course I can't. Piece of wire maybe. What that means is, now that that's broken, I can't even see where it's gone. It's down there. It's fallen down, actually. Not great. I suspect it's not steel. Try and cut this off or something, because it's not. It doesn't really matter now if it's not. If it's broken, it's not going to do anything. It needs. Could reuse it. It's not ideal. Because actually, if that's broken, well then we're probably further. Probably got more movement on it than we had before. See, I can't even budge it by hand with the... You need a whole half meter of leverage, which is probably not good for everything. Right, well that's better actually. That's out. Shouldn't be broken. That's how it should be. Backside actually. I suspect that this is a terrible idea. I haven't got a better one. I don't like that plastic cracking noise. I don't think we're getting very far here. Just smashing it to get it out. See, I can't tell. There's a gap there of about 3 or 4 mil. I can't tell if it's come up by that much with all the cranking I've been doing and it's worth keeping going, or should I just abandon it? You see, I've marred the threads on this guy here, which that's all okay. That can be dealt with. I don't want to fork out for a set of injectors. We're right in the middle there. I'm trying to use the screwdriver to lever it up and the bar and socket to get it side to side, but I don't know if they're actually doing anything in terms of getting it up. Stretching out the end of my bar. Not that that matters at all. Coming up because it can turn through a greater arc than it could before, but that could just be because the bracket's gone. Is it higher? Put a gauge on it and measure down and do it 100 times. Something scientific, something scientific. Say we're at about 20. 20 mil down from there. Either I'm destroying the plastic or it's coming up a bit. Oh dear. How's that looking? $18mm. It's moving. This is torture. Oh, don't damage that. Make that crunching noise again. I don't like reefing on it with the long bar because there we go. Ah, shit. I can't see what you're at. I can't feel what you're at. But now it's moving. That is. Oh, yes. What's going on there? So all the other ones were nice and silver. Need to look at this. That's all covered in clay, basically. Let's get out a bit. It's out now. Yeah, that was solid clay or something, because that O-ring's all shit all around it. I have to do reading up about this now. It's, apart from the marring there, and the damage to that clamp bracket, it might be okay. God, that's bad. It's bad, but it's out. Who knows what kind of shit went in there. Alright. Thank God for that. We're out. Where does that leave me? So I could take that plastic cover off now if I wanted, which is the object of this enterprise. No, I think I've done it for today. I'm going to tidy up. We're ending on a success. Mother of God.